Louis Chapin built this church, or maybe erected it. Let's see if it's open. Guys, I see an American and Polish flag there. And actually somebody pulled into the parking lot. So National Historic Site. Well, it is open, but we kind of have to break in. I don't think the so yeah, it's the St. Stanislaus Kostka Polish Catholic Church Sunday Mass schedule. So they still have Mass in Polish. No, it's locked. So they still have the Mass in Polish here. Once on the weekend. That's it. As we say in Polish, pocałowałem klamkę I pojechałem. I kissed the doorknob and I left. Anyways, guys, yeah, the actual Heritage Center is around the corner here, so let's take a walk down there. Yeah, let's take a walk down there. Well, somebody just pulled in here. Let's see if it's open. Okay, so Polish Heritage Center, Dom Dziedzictwa Polskiego. So I didn't even know that, oh, main entrance that way. I didn't even know that heritage was dziedzictwo, but now I know. Jakie jest twoje dziedzictwo? That's what I'm gonna ask people now. Polish people. What's your heritage? Well, that car, somebody left it on. Alright, so the main entrance is here. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's see if we're filming. And yeah, we're down to 7%, guys. And also, I may have to dig up my second mask, guys, because now we're going to be hitting, we're going to be going into the wind, which is basically, let's just see if this is open. Oh, it is. Okay, so someone is here. So yeah, maybe we'll walk inside, warm up a little bit, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna chain my bike and do a battery swap, and then we'll go inside, huh? So how about it, guys? Maybe we'll get some good footage from the Polish Heritage Center, and maybe we'll get a tip on a good Polish deli, because that's usually question number 2. The question 1 is, where's the Polish Heritage Center? Question number 2 is, where's there a good Polish deli? And anyways, and I already see there's like there's some sign about alcohol. I don't know, Polish people, do we have an alcohol problem? I don't see it to be a problem. No, outside alcohol permitted. Oh, so you can't bring in booze, because this is also like a banquet hall. Because when I was looking at the pictures of the place, it had like people dancing and like weddings and stuff like that. So yeah, I bet they rent it out in the off season as a banquet hall. So yeah, let's get the old I mean, I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna come up in here and steal my horse, but you never know. So, battery swap. Hold on, did I put my other completely dead batteries in there? No. They're all in there, okay.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Need some help?
I was actually gonna come inside. I'm just changing a battery.
Coming inside for what?
Just wanted to ask a question or two about the Heritage Center. I came down here from Chicago. I'm Chicago Polish.
Okay.
And I just wanted to see if there's still a large community here, because I noticed Sunday Mass is still in Polish. Yeah. And then and I was wondering if for my YouTube channel, if I could film some of it.
What's film what?
Just inside.
So you know this is an event space.
Oh right, okay.
Yes, they built the event space, but the church itself, what's today? Tuesday. So the priest is out today. If you were to come back tomorrow, they're open, and I believe they even have mass tomorrow.
Right, okay, yeah. All right.
And then you would really get a better grip on everything.
Right.
But the priest is Polish. She's actually here from Poland.
Yeah, because I noticed on the other side, it's like you guys do like probably some like community things here, or for like the Polish people of St. Louis, or is it just purely a banquet hall?
So on certain days we do like a feeding the community type of deal. On
Right.
Fridays through a nonprofit.
Right.
But they